To troubleshoot an AWS Amplify custom domain, start by verifying the domain configuration. Ensure the domain is properly set up in the AWS Amplify console and the DNS settings are accurate. Check that the domain is correctly linked to the Amplify app and the SSL TLS certificate is valid and not expired. Next, check the DNS settings for the domain. Make sure the CNAME records are correctly configured and pointing to the Amplify app. You can use tools like dig or NSLookup to verify the DNS records. Verify that the DNS records are propagated and not cached by checking the DNS records from different locations. Another key area to investigate is the SSL TLS certificate configuration. Make sure the certificate is issued by a trusted certificate authority and matches the custom domain. Check the certificate expiration date and ensure it is not expired. If you have recently updated the certificate, verify that the changes are reflected in the Amplify configuration. If you are still experiencing issues, check the AWS CloudWatch logs for any error messages related to the custom domain. Look for errors related to DNS, SSL TLS certificates, or other configuration issues. Use the AWS CloudWatch console to filter the logs by error type and timestamp to identify the root cause of the issue. Additionally, ensure that the AWS IAM roles and policies are correctly configured. Verify that the IAM roles have the necessary permissions to access the Amplify app and the custom domain. Check the IAM policy documents to ensure they are up to date and correctly configured. Finally, test the custom domain using tools like curl or a web browser to verify that it is configured correctly. Use the curl command to verify the SSL TLS certificate and DNS configuration. If you are still experiencing issues, check the AWS Amplify documentation and community forums for additional troubleshooting guides and best practices. By following these steps and best practices, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve common issues with AWS Amplify custom domains. Remember to verify the configuration. Check the DNS and SSL TLS settings. Investigate logs and IAM policies. And test the custom domain to ensure it is working correctly.